Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Leviathan set. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started. We got a lot of plastic. I love the smell of plastic in the morning. That's it for the sprues. Let's see what else we got. We got another piece of cardboard. Look at this. I'll look at that later. But this is nice. It's hard top, hard copy. There's some art in here, some terrain pieces, collecting, some lore. Awesome. This I'll have to look at this later. Tyranid list, and on the inside is your Space Marine list. This box set comes with 72 minis total, 25 Space Marines, 47 Tyranids, which is quite nice in my opinion. Now for the Space Marines, the captains and lieutenants are in Terminator armor or Phobos armor. We have a librarian in Terminator armor, an apothecary, Terminator Squad, Stern Guard veterans, Infernus Marines, and a ballistic dreadnought. On the Tyranid side, we have Screamer Killer, a Winged Tyranid Prime, Psychophage, Neurotaunt, plus Neuroloids, Bobgods, Termagants, Von Ryan Leapers. So we pretty much got some big monsters and the Horde with you on this set. Now, do I recommend this to anybody just starting or has already started and just wanting to pick up some extra units? Then yes, I do recommend this wholeheartedly. Due to the amount of units and compared to all the other packs, why not? If you already own any of the other packs such as the starter kit, the introductory kit, or the ultimate starting set, I still recommend this. Even if you have all three, I still recommend this as an add-on because of the hard copy book that you do get is really nice. The stratagem cards, the deployment cards, a little bit higher quality. For the price, I can't recall what I paid for it, however I'll put it on screen. Also, tell me what your favorite unit is or what your faction that you really like and what faction you recommend me picking up next. Should I pick up the Orcs or Astra Militarum? Other than that, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to catch the next episode.